I've gotta say, the Kinupute Mini Gaming PC is definitely a solid buy if you're in the market for a powerful yet compact gaming computer, but let me explain why. Link is in the description if you want to check the latest price on Amazon, but trust me, this thing's got chops for any type of gaming or content creation you might be into. I was a bit skeptical at first. I mean, it's a mini PC with an i9 processor and an RTX3060 graphics card, that's some serious power packed into such a small package, but it absolutely delivered. So, let's get into the nitty-gritty. One of my favorite things about the Kinupute Mini Gaming PC is how compact it is. It's perfect if you've got limited desk space or want to easily set up a home theater system without sacrificing performance. And with its expandable storage capabilities, we're talking 2 empty bays, you can easily add more storage or upgrade to a higher capacity hard drive as your needs dictate. But it's not just about raw power, you can also hook this thing up to 4 displays at once, making it a great option for any type of content creation like video editing or live streaming. The built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth means you can seamlessly stream audio or video wirelessly to your devices, which is just amazing considering how tiny this thing is. I've gotta say, the interface is also super easy to navigate, even with the included optical mouse and keyboard. The dual LAN capabilities are also super handy if you need to hook up multiple monitors or peripherals at once, and with support for both HDMI and DisplayPort on the back, setting up your rig couldn't be easier. Of course, I've got to mention the cooling system. The Kinupute Mini Gaming PC comes with an impressive array of cooling solutions that keep everything running smoothly even under heavy loads. Plus, the included warranty is a nice touch, giving you peace of mind that you're covered in case anything were to go wrong. I've found that the Kinupute Mini Gaming PC really shines in 2 areas, power and expandability. With an i9 processor and an RTX3060 graphics card, this thing crushes even the most demanding games or applications. And with those 2 extra bays for storage, I love how flexible it is. Whether you need more storage space or want to upgrade to a faster drive, it's a breeze. On the other hand, I have to say that I'm a bit disappointed in the lack of front-facing ports. There are none, so if you need to hook up a flash drive or other front-facing peripherals, you're out of luck. And while the cooling system is impressive, it can get a bit loud under heavy loads. All in all, I'm super impressed with the Kinupute Mini Gaming PC. It's a powerhouse in a tiny package that's perfect for anyone who wants raw performance in a compact form factor. Link is in the description below if you're interested in checking this thing out. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.